Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.
Alright, so Duttyberry here, Sumfest 2022, Night 2. There with the artist Nation Boss. Nation Boss, first time performing at Sumfest?
Yeah, man, first time, man. Yo, peace of energy. Love it, man. Love it. Trust me.
Alright, so talk to me like you're going to perform at Sumfest now. What the mental preparation and how you get together your set and put together everything for a night like this?
Like, you know, honestly, I feel like it's a gifted thing where we don't really have to kill up ourselves for the gifted ones. We just make it all fall in place, you know what I mean? And me is a more composed person. I don't really try do the extra work when I can do the smarter work. So I just take it one step at a time, man. No rush, nothing.
Has there been anything new about the business that we consider like has surprised you lately?
Like, not really, you know, the way how the world has changed right now, you can just expect all of what going on. Nothing really surprised me, trust me.
Alright, so more if you talk about like the friendship that I realize that you have with the youngster. Like, is that a natural, organic thing? Is what an energy just through the music? Or you have like friendship from like long time, what kill fill up?
You know, that was a musical connection. I feel like the universe kind of push energies together, you see me? Because we basically are forward from a similar background. You know what I mean? Where pain is involved, we share pain, similar pains, you know what I mean? So, music have a funny way of working, said way.
Blow, you are the king for the flow. Some summer 60 mil cash and prize for the winners. Enough winnings, make sure you're in it.
Win your share of over $60 million in cash and prizes. Scratch your phone and win instant prize, plus a chance for win weekly prize of cash, tablets, and smart TVs. Dial *129 number sign to activate any unlimited social plan. Get a yard and road plan or pay your bill on time and in full to win.
Some summer, plenty prize in a flow some summer.
Conditions apply.
You do realize that you probably have one of the most like surprisingly iconic songs that is going to last the test of time. Humans, you know, so the song they're going to live on after you and after your generation.
I believe, man. I believe like even though people still are connected to it, like it just dropped yesterday. And that are the thing, when music dropped like a year ago and you still get the same feeling from it, you know it have shelf life, like it go there for a while for real, man.
Nation Boss, can you promise me that you see when you get bigger and bigger and you reach over Europe and all that other place them and the people them know you and a scream for you will still continue to come on shows like this and give the people them like a 1 and 2 interview?
Believe me, man. Like, man, I get paid for do this. I do music for love, my lad. So nothing now gonna stop me from come share my energy. So trust me. So
before you leave no more, if you come answer them question here, some rapid fire question, right? Best thing about the music industry?
The funds.
Worst thing about the music industry?
The funds.
Best thing about dealing with producers?
Yo, I don't even know. I don't even like dealing with producers, honestly, man. I tell you the truth.
I stress more while.
Yeah, man, stress, right, true.
Alright, so lastly, I just want to tell the people them what them can expect for the rest of the years in terms of show, singles, and projects.
Just like the best quality from the artist, say that. I know nothing different from where I come out of the studio. The recordings, they made it for themselves tonight. I know auto-tune thing. We give them quality, man.
Natural innate ability.
Naturally.
Alright, big up yourself and all the best. Alright.
Brought to you by Flow, Grand Palladium Resorts and Spa, and Red Stripe. Drink responsibly.